Hey guys, what's up? It's Summer. Today is August 30th, 2011. It is a beautiful day here in Dallas, Texas. It's hot and I should be working, but I'm not. I'm at home making YouTube videos and taking pictures of myself. Just wanted to give you all an update about me. So, what's going on? I am back on the losing bandwagon. I am down 105 pounds as of this morning. Well, sort of as of like this week. I started my thyroid pills again. I think that's really helping me. I honestly believe that, other than the fact that I am watching my intake with food and could be up my workout, as I say in most videos, but I'm handling that. I got this, okay? Let's see. So I'm down 105 pounds from 317 to 212. Holla at your girl. 12 pounds to Wonderland. Super excited. I'm probably gonna go out and drink and gain it right back. What do you know? No, I'm kidding, I'm not. Okay, so what's been going on with me? Well, just living the weight loss life, the fun life that it is. It's not consuming me, and I've said that in many, many videos. I still live my life, and my journey and my weight loss does not consume it. So that's my prerogative, so I do with that. What else? We got a new car, not new, but newer. Everything's going good at the house. Dogs are chilling, husband's at work, and everything is good. I need to get my hair cut. No, I don't. I gotta let it grow out. It's bothering me. So my cell phone, it's a freaking HTC Evo, people, okay? You would think that a high-tech smartphone would let me upload videos like over a minute long. Wrong! I got denied. Kenzie and I were in the car the other day and she made like a quick 14, I think, second video and it uploaded. For luck. So I guess when I make videos on my phone, because I want to do what's in my fridge, what's in my pantry, what's in my freezer video, I guess I'm going to have to go sit at Kenzie's house, watch some True Blood, and upload my videos through her Wi-Fi. Because I don't have Wi-Fi. So Kenzie, I'll be coming over sometime. She's happy about that. She loves her summer bear. What else? I guess pretty much, nothing. It's to the point where I'm 7 months post-op and I really don't have a whole lot to talk about. I wish I did, but I don't. Oh my gosh, the Interforce. I feel like my hair is getting thicker. I honestly do. I'm not just saying that. I really do. I don't know if it's all the product I put in it or the treatments or like the little vials, but it does definitely make my hair thicker. I've also noticed less hair falling out. There is still hair falling out. Don't think there won't be. Don't think it's got miracle growth. It's going to happen overnight. It's not. But it's 30 days. Today I ran out of my 10-day trial of my little vials. Now let me tell you, if I go to work, I wash my hair there, which, okay, that's stupid. When I don't wear my hair up in a ponytail and I want to go to work and I want to do deep treatments, I just wash it there and I don't have my vials with me. Sometimes I'm in a quick hurry at home and I don't want to spend the time to massage my scalp and blah blah, so I just use my regular other Redken shampoo and conditioner. So I don't know if you're supposed to do that. I would definitely read. I need to ask someone about that, or I need to read myself. But I just did use my 10 vials and it's been like 20 days so far. So, or more than that. It might have been a month. I don't even know. Probably not. Problem solved, sort of. I'm still taking my biotin, so just take your vitamins, people. Take them. So, I guess that's pretty much it. I'm getting super stoked for Vegas, baby. Hopefully I'm still going to be able to go if all stays right with bills and monies and whatnot. I should be on a plane flying out to y'all. Hopefully I will stay with Kenzie and Jackie. Hopefully. What else? I guess it's all. I'm pretty boring and I live a pretty boring life, but it works for me, so it's all good. Everyone, well, not everyone, but a lot of people I've talked about getting tattoos, like their weight loss. I'm really taking that into consideration now. I kind of want to. But I don't know. I don't know what it would be. So I'll definitely have to think about that. I guess that's pretty much it. So I'm going to wrap this up. But y'all got numbers. Y'all got info on the hair stuff. You got info on my boring life. And yeah, so y'all have a wonderful Tuesday afternoon. Y'all have a great week. And when my life gets a little bit more exciting, I'll post another video. But until then, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.